least the wind is dying down. This was a photo demonstrating that, sent in to us by Jeff Dimmel. His flag on the flag post finally not whipping around thanks to calmer conditions out there. It's been breezy lately, but we've got a quiet night ahead. You can see nearly calm conditions across the state line right now. That said, the calm winds will allow temperatures to drop off faster tonight. You can see we're already down into the upper 20s, and we're going to drop at least another 8 to 10 degrees compared to where we are as of right now going into the overnight hours. You can see the forecast has us all the way down to 20 under a clear sky. It's going to result in some widespread frost, so we have to get the ice scraper out in the morning. When we have clear and calm conditions, a lot of heat can escape from the cooling earth. That's why that temperature is dropping down so much. If we had a little breeze, it would mix the air up some and keep some of that heat around, but instead we're starting off tomorrow brisk, but look what happens by the afternoon. Warmer winds kick in. We're back to the 50s under a bright sunny sky, so this is a lot more like early April. We're back to average tomorrow. We keep trending upward from there as well. 55 coming for the high temperature tomorrow. A little breezy out of the south. Wind gusts up to about 25 miles per hour. However, again, this is right near average, so it should feel pretty comfortable out there compared to the frigid conditions we've had the past couple days. And then going into the weekend, we keep that warming trend going. Near 70 on Saturday under a bright sunny sky. Southwest winds gusting up to about 25 miles per hour. So those breezy winds are back both tomorrow as well as Saturday, but this time they're blowing in that warmer air. We get to the end of the weekend, our 70s are back for the first time this year. 74 for the high on Easter under a bright sunny sky. Winds, as you can see, going a lot calmer out there. As you look ahead of the forecast, we're going to see several more days in a row in the 70s. In fact, 4 in a row in the forecast. This gets close to that very warm stretch in early November. That was the last time we saw a longer stretch of warm conditions. It was 8 days in a row, in fact, back in November itself. That was record-setting back then. For us, a little more like early April. Next week, spring rain chances are back. We'll have low chances for rain each day. Now, it's not necessarily going to rain each day, but we have at least a slight chance in the forecast for the possibility of scattered showers and storms starting Monday and lasting throughout much of the next week. So as you look at the forecast, sunny stretch through Sunday, chances for rain pop up on Monday, and then we have a slight chance lingering around through the end of next week. You can see those 4 days in a row in the 70s, and then we start to cool off a little. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we don't drop quite as much though. 60s to upper 50s, which is again right near where we usually are for this time of year into the end of next week. It's a far cry from those 40s that we might finally be getting rid of, James and Mary.
What else is a far cry is those 70s that you got in the stretch there, Alex. Thanks.